Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I had posted last week that one of the dangers I've experienced by learning Fusion 360 or any software in a piecemeal fashion is that I haven't gone step by step through every aspect of how you use it. So there are a few gaps or holes in my knowledge, and sometimes I can go back and Google how to fill that hole or find it in the right tutorial. Sometimes I can't. So I was glad to reach out to the 16 Tech Makerspace community through Mighty Networks and Facebook. And Grant from Glassboard was kind enough to answer my question. It was about how do you change the angle that you've measured something from. So here, let me go back. When we were doing the ink stamp 3D design, if I followed the instructions exactly as the way the fellow had done it, it worked out pretty well. But if I jumped around a little bit, if I made a line, and then I can make a line here and say that should be 70 degrees. There, that was the hiccup I was experiencing. So if I start from the center and go out, and then go up here, you can see that the angle is measuring from the inside angle. So I can set the length, and then I can say 70 degrees. But if instead I had added a line, and then hit escape, and then add another line here, now you can see that it's measuring from the outside angle, the complementary angle, and I could just subtract 70 from 180 and get 110, but I'd rather be able to just change this angle to be what it should be, which is that 70 degrees. So I didn't know how to change that. Grant showed me that if you go to the Sketch menu in Fusion 360 and then click on the Sketch dimension, and if I left click once here, and then if I left click again on this line, up comes that angle. And now it's over constrained because I've already defined that exterior angle. So instead what I would do is say new line. Notice that it's trying to define it from the outside. I didn't define that angle, I just left clicked. Now if I go to Sketch Dimension, left click there, left click here, up comes the opportunity for me to define it from the inside angle. And that's what I want. So thanks, Graham from Glassboard, and thanks to everyone in the 16 Tech Makerspace community. Glad to learn with you. Thanks.